Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will going to try to install XCP-ng into my home server. So what XCP-ng is? XCP-ng is type 1 hypervisor. It likes proxmox or VMware EXXI. However, unlike proxmox or VMware EXXI, XCP-ng uses SAN as the hypervisor. So this is the server I will going to install XCP-ng on. This is a HP Pavilion P669DD, which has a Intel Core i5-7760 CPU, a 32GB of DDR3 RAM, 2TB of enterprise hard drive, and a 128GB SSD. I will add a 240GB SSD for the system. Okay, so here we are in the BIOS settings. So let's see if the boot device priority is set to the USB flash drive. So let's set it first, then go to the virtualization settings and enable it. Go to save change and exit.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after the installer is booted up, you will see this. Just the key map you would like to use. So for me, the keyboard layout I will use is the QWERTY1, QWERTY-US, and go select it. Okay, so welcome to XCP-ng setup. The setup tool can be used to install or upgrade XCP-ng on your system or restore your server from backup. Let's press OK. Okay, accept EULA. And the disk I want to install XCP-ng into is the 223GB SSD. For the virtual machine storage, I will use the STC and the STB. And for this, I think I will also include the 223GB SSD. Press OK. Local media. Verify the installation source. Okay, there is no problem, so we are good to go. Press OK. So this is the root password. Make sure that you will make a strong password in here, and you should be also remember that. Because if you don't, you will lose the access to your server. So I will put my password right here. Okay, which network interface would you like to use for connecting to the management server? For most people, it will be their first network adapter or any network adapter that is connected to the router. So, but for me, I will just the Ethernet 0. Okay, automatic configuration for DHCP. Okay, now there's nothing to change here. Press OK. Like this, I don't know what to put right here, so I will just tap this. Press OK. And then choose your time zone. I will just this, and then I will just Jakarta. It's depending on your country origin. So press OK. How it should be local time using NTP. If you haven't backed up your data already, make sure to back up it first because the hard drive you will install the XCP-ng into will be wiped. And if you already backed up your data, press install XCP-ng. So we'll waiting for a moment until it done. Let's choose no. And finally, the installation is completed. So I will remove the USB. I will remove the USB flash drive after I rebooted my server. Okay, now press OK and waiting for until it rebooted. Now remove the USB flash drive.
Oh my god, bro.
Okay, very good. The server is rebooted now. Wait, what? Wait, so let's check the boot settings, boot device priority. So I will set it to the primary SSD and save change, exit. Now it should be booting up to XCP-ng. And here we are. So let's press enter. And here's it. Okay, now we are booting up to XCP-ng. Oh, here we are. This is the XCP-ng like the control panel. Let's see if we can go into the network management interface. It's set to 1. The IP address is set to 1.137. Okay, can I go to the local command shell? Okay, username root and password. I will type the root password. Oh, here we are. We can and go to the shell. Okay, to go back to the management console, type exit. Okay, let's access the web panel for XCP-ng. So let's put the IP address of your server. Oh, privacy error. Okay, proceed to 1.137. Okay, this is the landing page. We will choose this the send orchestra option. Quick deploy. Type the root password. Okay, so let's put a like 192.168.1.138 for the XOA IP address and put it like 255.255.55.0. Gateway south 192.168.1.1. DNS is 8.8.8.8. And next, for the username, I will just put like admin at localhost, and I will type the password and click deploy.
A few moments later.
At the first time, you will be greeted by the login page. You will type your username and password right here. Click on the remember me, and then click sign in. And here we are. Here is the Sun Orchestra dashboard, and here is the XOA VM running in our XCP-ng server. So that's how to install the XCP-ng on your home server. Don't forget to subscribe to get a latest video. So thank you for watching and see you next time.